Hello everyone, it's August 28th, 2022. I'm here in the car headed to get some lunch for the wife and me. But my buddy Shane sent me this video he wanted me to share so you all could see some dumb idiot truck drivers out there. This happens to be a Walmart driver with a Walmart truck. It's not an outside carrier, it is a Walmart truck. This happened August 27th, 2022 in LA, California. He is hauling oversized. He has an escort behind him. That's why he's in between two lanes. Look at what this Walmart does. But first, let's cue that intro. Show this Walmart truck cutting my buddy Shane off in real time. Now I'm going to slow it down so you can see it. Slow motion. You can catch his truck number and trailer number. I hope Walmart corporate gets to see this video. What this guy did is uncalled for and unsafe. Dude needs to lose his license for this. So let's watch this video in real time. Now slow it down so you can see it in slow-mo. There you go. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button.
Los Angeles. Uh, 83 more miles.
Be careful, Lord, trying to come over.
That's Walmart. He just passed me on the shoulder and then pushed me out of the way.
Talk about being pushy.